Attention viewers. Please stay tuned as there will be a giveaway announced for a free F10 carbon fiber spoiler during this video.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode we're going to be doing another rear end facelift. Today we have a 2012 BMW 525i. That's the F10 body style. We're going to be doing another debadge, so taking off the rear emblems and replacing them with carbon fiber emblems. The 525i emblem, we're going to be replacing it with a satin black F10 emblem. The BMW stock roundel we're going to be replacing with a carbon fiber roundel. We're going to be adding the M5 style carbon fiber rear spoiler. And then this is going to be a two-part episode or a two-part series. On the second series, we're going to be adding a carbon fiber rear diffuser, and then we're going to do a dual exhaust and doing a dual exhaust setup with carbon fiber rear tips on it. So let's get to the car, or let's get the car pulled in and let's get started. Again, if you haven't done so already, please remember to like and subscribe. That really helps us out a lot. Alright, let's get started. Alright, let's get started on the debadging first. So I'm not going to go over every single step. We just did a video last week on the W211, and that's a good video to look at for detailed instructions on how to debadge, how to clean up stuff in every single tool and every single product to use. So I'll put a link down below for that video, so if you want to go through step by step. I want to keep this video a little bit shorter, and then plus all the instructions are in that video. So let's get started on that. I'm just going to go over details to apply to this vehicle in specific. On this vehicle, there is no adhesive on the roundel. There is adhesive on the 528i. So let's get started taking off the roundel. I still will heat it up a little bit since it's an older vehicle. Maybe break up any of water deposits that may be sticking it on, or built up wax or anything. So I will heat it up a little bit and work it with the fishing line, and then start using my pry tools to take it off, and then we'll get started on the 528i, which will be straight fishing line to take it off. So let's get started on it. There you go, emblems off. Actually, it worked better with the pry tool instead of just the fishing line. This emblem was tight against the body, and I wasn't able to actually get the fishing line in there at all. 528i's off. Let's get the 3M wheel, clean up all this adhesive, and then we'll go through, compound these, and make these actually nice. Alright, for the leftover adhesive, I'm using a 3M stripe-off wheel. Again, in the W211 video that we did last week, I have directions on how to use it and more details on the all the adhesive is actually now removed. We'll go over this with a compound. There's quite a bit of leftover shadowing and outline from the 528i. Not so much with the roundel, but a lot of shadowing. You can see a lot of it of yellowing between the bright white underneath the 528i and what's around it. So we'll go over that with a compound and cleaner and see if we could remove all of that. So let's go on to that next step. Alright, I'm going to go over the 528i emblem first because it's flat. Again, I'm using the Meguiar's Mirror Glaze Professional Fine Cleaner number 2. I'm going to go over the roundel area next. When you go over the roundel area, since it's recessed, be careful with the high areas that you don't burn them, especially if you have a darker color car, or pretty much any color. Stay in the lower area if you want. If you're a novice, tape around the raised area so that you don't go outside of it and burn the raised areas. Alright, let's get started. Came out really amazing. both areas. I noticed there was a small scratch or something up here, so I tried polishing that out. That didn't 100% come out, so I tried since I was out here. I'm going to go over these two areas with McGuire's wax cleaner. And then this car's pretty dirty. I'm going to send it out to get detailed real quick before we put on the new items. Since everything's off, that's usually the best time to either color sand buff or clay bar, clean, whatever you want to do to your car, because you know, if you have a spoiler, if you have new emblems, there's no real way to clean around those areas once you have them on. So since everything's off, this is probably the ideal time to actually send it out to get detailed. So I'm going to send it out to get detailed. We'll bring it back in the garage after it's detailed, put on the spoiler, the new emblems, and then in the second video we'll do the diffuser and the exhaust. So let's take it to get detailed and then bring it right back. Alright, we're out here just picking up the F10 at my buddy's shop. I'll put down this information below. For any of you guys that need a detailing service, it pretty much does the best job. If you look at the car, it looks pretty much amazing. I'll get a close-up on it. Paint's great. I've used them for years. We'll go inside the shop. He's got a Lambo in there right now that he's working on. And you can actually see that too. But like, again, anybody you guys need detail service, this is a man to come to. Let's go see what he's got inside. We got the car back to the shop from detail. Let's start getting the badges on, and then we'll get the spoiler on. This should be a fairly easy process. We're going to basically clean the areas that they go on. The rear trunk badge just goes on with the two prongs and the grommets. I did add double-sided adhesive just as an extra added strength. And then we'll mark off the area for the F10 logo and then place that on. So let's get started. F10 logo, which replaces the 525 or 528i logo. that's it. Both emblems are on. Now let's get the spoiler on.
Attention viewers. It is that time you all been waiting for. Giveaway time.
Alright, thanks to Souvenir Motorsports, I got 2 different carbon fiber wings to try on the F10, see which one I like. And now to the part of the show I'm sure all of you guys have been waiting for. Whichever one I don't choose, I'm going to be giving away. So if any of you guys are interested in winning whichever carbon fiber wing I don't use, just message in the comments below that you're interested in the carbon fiber wing. Just type in carbon fiber wing entry, and if this video hits, or when this video hits, optimistic, right? When this video hits 1,000 views, I will go down through the comments, and everybody who's commented here, I will put them in a app and have that actually generate like a raffle style, and generate the winner. I will open it up to here, and I will open it up to my Instagram at R9 Garage. So anybody who actually applies here or there can enter. The wing will be free. I will actually pay for shipping anywhere in the continental US, so it'll be no out-of-pocket expense for any of you. Again, this is both of these are brand new wings. They're for the F10 body style BMW. One is the M5 style wing, one is the CS style wing. Let's try both of them on, see which one I choose, and see which one goes in the giveaway. Let's check them out. Alright, so the first one is the M5 style wing. Just gonna add a piece of tape, hold it on, check it out, see what I think. And let you guys see it too. So this is an exact reproduction of the stock M5 style wing, just in carbon fiber. It's a smaller wing. It's pretty much exact, like I said, exact reproduction. It's not anything extravagant, but it looks really, really clean. Anything Souvenir actually makes, all their carbon fiber products are really, really clean. The designs are really nice. They're same vendor that I used for the W211 video. You could see all their carbon fiber. The quality of it's amazing. Their molds and then the weave, it's really great quality. And fitment too. Next one is the CS style wing. Try that one on. And this one has a little bit more of an aggressive look, cut down in the middle. Try the M5 one more time and to make a decision. Tough decision. They both look good, right? It's a good comparison too for any of you guys who have been contemplating before. This way you could see them side by side. I think I'm going to go with the CS, so that means the M5 style is going to go into the giveaway. Again, anybody who's interested in it, just enter into the comments M5 carbon fiber spoil giveaway. The second this video hits 100 views, I'll actually go through everybody who commented, and we'll put you guys in a generated app to pick the winner. And again, there'll be no out-of-pocket expense. This will be shipped to anybody within the continental US for free. And again, it's a brand new, unused carbon fiber M5 wing from Souvenir. Again, comment below M5 carbon fiber giveaway, and you can win this. Now let's get on with the program and get this installed. Alright, I added a bunch of 3M VHB tape to the bottom of the CS carbon fiber wing. Now I actually alcoholed it before I did that. Now I'm going to alcohol the back of the deck lid, and then we'll install it. Pull you off the tripod. This way you could see the tape marks, see how everything lined up. You can see I pretty much nailed my tape marks again, just like the W211 video. And again, all souvenir products, I mean, that weave is, let me get this thing to focus, but that weave is just beautiful and amazing. I got a lot of fingerprints on it right now, so I'll clean it up and let you see it again. Down here, it's a little higher than where I initially taped it, but that's because of the thickness of the 3M VHB tape. When I initially fitted it, it didn't have the 3M tape on it, so it sat a little bit lower, but still, we're pretty much dead on. Fitment on the corners, it's pretty much dead on and centered, so it looks great. And remember, Souvenir really helped us out a lot with this episode and the W211 episode with their carbon fiber products. Go to them. I'll have all their information below. Alright, so the final part to finish up this rear end is a carbon fiber license plate frame. This is not real carbon fiber, it's just aluminum with a carbon fiber, looks like not a carbon fiber wrap, but just a fake carbon fiber screen. And then if you remember from a couple videos ago, we visited 5150 Wraps. And they did the actual plates on this car as well. So again, this was a white plate, and they wrapped it with the California Legacy style plates. So this is the black and yellow style, and this will really set off the rear end of this car. Again, I'll have their information down below. 5150 Wraps. They can actually change the color of any of your plates to anything you want. They could do carbon fiber, they can do black and yellow, they can do blue and yellow, they could do pretty much any color you want that's offered in a vinyl wrap. So their information's down below. So let's get these license plate frame and plates on, and that'll finish up this rear end transformation. Wraps it up. I mean, just a few little items like emblems, carbon fiber spoiler, and license plate frames, and changing the color of a license plate really can do a lot for a rear end. I mean, this is an entry-level car, and it really upgraded the look. When we did the dual exhaust and the rear diffuser, I mean, it was really going to change the overall look of the car. Again, I thank everybody for viewing and watching the show. If you haven't done so already, please like and subscribe. Again, for the giveaway, please comment down below for the giveaway, and once we hit 1,000 views on this episode, I'll select a winner below using an app. This way it's fair, it's not selected by me. And again, it'll be no cost. It'll be shipped out free to anyone in the continental U.S. If it is somebody outside of the U.S., they will have to pay for shipping. But if it's with anyone within the continental U.S., it'll be shipped out free. No expenses, no nothing. Again, thanks for everybody's support. I really appreciate everybody, and I love doing these videos, so thank you. All right, see you next episode. Bye.